If you need to know what your family history is, please feel free to contact us. We'll get you in contact with the right people to help you figure out if you have that lineage. And we're also really excited to hear who is in your history, who is your ancestor that you are so proud of and you're so excited to talk about, because we want to talk about it. We want to know who came over to America first in your family. When did your family become American? So I was talking to my grandmother, and my grandmother, she's 95, 96. She's young. I love my grandmother. Her grandmother, great grandmother, I think, I could be wrong, was a full blood Paiute Indian. She's from of the Ute Indians in southern Utah. And back when she was little, her family, the Utes, the Paiutes particularly, that tribe was struggling to survive. So they ended up finding the nearby settlers of the area, and in order to feed themselves, they would sell family members, for lack of a better way to say that. So my family, my adopted family, took her in and her little brother. And in turn, the mother was actually purchased by another family close by and was able to keep connecting with her children. And what they would do, the settlers of the town, they would raise the children, they'd give them all the things that they need, and then when they were done, they would say, okay, you can go. I'm not keeping you, you're not a slave, I'm just helping you to survive. So we are of that descendant, the Paiute Indian descendant, and it's really interesting to hear these kinds of stories. And then I go to find out that her grandmother, this one is her grandmother, came over from Wales, and she had this amazing recipe for heavy cake. And I'm like, what in the heck is heavy cake? I've never heard of heavy cake. So I'm interested in finding out more about this. This will be on a coming episode. I think we're going to do an episode on recipes, or family recipes, especially those from who came to America and brought their recipes and traditions with them. Those kinds of things are the ones I'm really excited about.
You ready? Are we going? Okay. Are we going? I think we're going. You tell me we're going. There's no way for me to know that we're going yet. I don't have the phone yet. So if we're going, then we're going. If we're not, then we're not. Honey, are we going? What? Yeah, my hand's too big in the screen. As mommy says, my hand's too big in the screen. Okay. So today, this is a new type of podcasting where we're combining some technologies here, and we've called it roadcasting. So today we're roadcasting from a 1957 Ford Thunderbird, and today we inside of the American Journey experience. This is an amazing thing because we've been able to walk through the museum, been able to see the first draft of the Declaration of Independence that Thomas Jefferson penned. Then we're able to have this a great discussion about who Thomas Jefferson was, the whole family, from a from a descendant herself. So I want to introduce my friend Caroline Powell and say thank you and let's get started. You ready?
I'm ready.
Excellent. Well, Caroline, why don't you tell us a little bit about yourself, and then we can kind of get going from there.
My goodness, where to begin? Uh, my family's all from Virginia.
Uh-huh.
Been there for centuries, all in the mountains of Virginia.
Really?
Yeah, the Blue Ridge Mountains I called home